darling. Something should let me stay at home. Why do you never text me? Listen, dear, I can't wait for you to look you in the eyes.